Before I did the Audition Intensive, I'd go into auditions and I'd really try to do it right, you know? And when you're thinking with doing it right, it can be very stifling. Even if you do it right, you don't necessarily feel like you're artistically creating and adding any life to it, you know? The Acting Center and in their Audition Intensive, it was just life-changing, because during the Audition Intensive, I started getting more auditions, and I was so excited to go on these auditions. There was this one role that I was doing, and it was a very dark role, and the emotions were just all right there, and that's powerful. And they're real, and they're not just like me, Marcus, expressing these emotions, but it's that character, and so everything clicks. And so it just gives you this beautiful confidence that's not arrogance, it's just this, I'm so happy to be here and I can't wait to show you what I've created. And that to me is very powerful.